I'm Fatima Dilna. I'm a Python developer. In the last video, we talked about why we are using programming and what is programming, etc. So we also talked about many languages, right? We are using Python language. So today I'm gonna show you how to download and install Python. For that, you have to take your browser, then search python.org. Then go to downloads. If you are using Windows, click Windows, otherwise click Mac. I'm using Mac, so I'm gonna click Mac OS. Here you can see a lot of links. This means Python's version. We are using Python 3, so click the first link. Please make sure that you are in Python 3 because there are a lot of difference between Python 2 and Python 3. After download, click Open. Then click Continue, Continue, Continue. It will ask for an agreement, so click Agree. Then click Install. Type your password. It will take a little bit time. Python installed. We also want to install an IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. It's nothing, we have to download a text editor for writing the code. There are many text editors for writing Python. We are using Pycharm editor. For that, you have to search Pycharm. Click the first link. Then click Download. If you are in Windows, click Windows, otherwise Mac. Then click Download. It will start downloading. After downloading, open it. If you are in Windows, click Next. Or if you are in Mac, please drag this Pycharm to your application folder. Then double click on the icon. Click Open. Maybe you will get another window. No need of worry. They will ask you it's your first time you are using Pycharm. Click It's my first time. Then click Next. You will get this window. Because I already downloaded Pycharm before I show it to you. Now click New Project. Type name for your folder. I'm gonna type Hello World. Here you want to type your folder name, which Python projects are saving in that folder. Make sure that you are selecting Python 3 here. Then click Create. Now you are ready with your Python. In the next video, we will learn our first code.